In today's tech video, we'll be going over how to fix a leak from your pin at the top of your Powerhouse reg. So some of the tools you'll need: 2mm or 5/64 hex driver, O-ring pick, some Q-tips, a new 008 Teflon O-ring, a little cup of alcohol, some Loctite for your set screws, and we use this punch pin to put the new O-ring in, but you could use a wooden dowel or maybe like a pen cap, anything like that. So to start, we'll work on the bottom set screws. Take them out using our new Powerhouse multi-tool. Remove the cap. So inside the cartridge, we're going to have this white hard Teflon O-ring. I'm going to use our O-ring pick from the top, push that out, you throw that away. Grab a Q-tip, dip it in some alcohol. You're going to clean out that O-ring gland down there. It'll usually be pretty dirty with calcium buildup, debris, dirt. Take your new pin O-ring, drop it down, press it in flat, we'll click. Go ahead, take a look at your activation pin. Sometimes you can get debris, calcium buildup, dirt along this tapered edge. That's where it's going to seal against the O-ring. So clean that out. Reinstall. For your set screws, we can put a little drop of blue Loctite just to keep the set screw from backing out. You do that on all three of them. And we can go ahead and wipe around any excess Loctite. And that's all it is to it. Replace your O-ring for your pin, and that will seal it up nice and good.